In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link payment on Squarespace 2025 Easy Guide. We'll start right from your browser. Head to the Squarespace website and open the account page. From there, select Login and sign in with your existing credentials. If you use single sign-on, that's fine too. Just choose the option you typically use. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Next, choose the website you want to set up for payments. If you manage multiple sites, double check you're opening the correct one. Click Go to Website to open that site's workspace and then click Edit Site. This switches you into the editor where we can access the settings that control selling and checkout. Look for the settings icon, usually a small gear, typically on the left-hand side or top navigation depending on your version. Click it to open the settings panel. In that panel, find and select selling. This is where all your commerce-related options live. Then choose payments. This page is the hub for connecting payment providers and configuring how your store accepts money. On the payments page, you'll see your available options, most commonly Stripe and PayPal. Squarespace uses Stripe to accept major credit and debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other region-supported wallets. PayPal is great if your customers prefer paying from their PayPal balance or linked methods. Availability can vary by country, so it's a good idea to confirm your store location and currency match what your payment provider supports. When you're ready, click Connect for the provider you want to use. A secure window will open, prompting you to log into that provider. Sign in with your existing account details. If you don't have an account yet, you'll be guided to create one during this process. Follow the prompts to authorize Squarespace. This typically includes agreeing to terms and confirming business details such as your business name, address, and bank payout information. If your provider asks for verification documents, complete those steps so payouts won't be delayed. Once the connection is confirmed, you'll be brought back to Squarespace and you should see a connected status. If you use more than one option, like Stripe for cards and PayPal for PayPal payments, connect both. Before you start selling, review your store's currency, tax settings, and shipping rules in your commerce settings to ensure a smooth checkout. Finally, preview your checkout and, if possible, run a small live test order to make sure everything flows as expected. That's it. Your Squarespace site is now ready to accept payments securely and efficiently.